Today on the live stream, we managed to take a pretty profitable trade. However, it was the market conditions and understanding the setup prior to the setup that allowed us to make money and executing the trade with confidence. Let's talk about it. Now, the thing with confidence in taking a setup, we had an SFP of this morning and we took Solana here for a quick scalp. And it may not look like a lot, but we were prepared for this all morning and we were able to execute. Now, we were talking about one thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about today especially, and that is really narrowing your trading. Okay, so we talk about like an A plus setup, a B setup as well throughout the market, and what really entails that. And it's all about narrowing. So narrowing your setups and your rules. So really defining your rules, right? So this morning we were looking for a liquidity gap, SFP of the low with a close above the VWAP, right? So we were looking for this morning on Bitcoin. And what we could see is the price was consolidating. We were looking to come into a key level of support, defining the setup, making it a B setup, but also understanding the idea around the trade. Now, we talk about condensing and making our trading rules more tight. So what I want you to do, and this is really going to help you with your trading over time, is not only do you want to define your rules, but you want to define them to a point where they absolutely only hit maybe once a month, right? Maybe once a year, right? And once you have those parameters where you have your playbook and you have your setup, so you have your beautiful S tier setup, which is right here. And then within here, this might be your A plus, this might be your B setup, right? And this takes away some of the rules that are met and the criteria that is met in order for you to justify entering a trade. When you can define your trade setup, pinpoint accuracy, there's no reason why you will not have confidence taking the trade as long as your position size is correct. So what I would like you to do is take that trade setup that you typically look for. Maybe it's a golden pocket retest right here, continuation up with a bullish trend, right? So you're going swing high, swing low to swing high, and you pull your fibs and you know where you're looking for this pullback and you're looking to buy within this level, right? And define that level and take that trade based off good risk management. Okay, that's your setup. But how can you define it a little bit better? Is it a bullish candle pattern? Is it going down on a smaller time frame, right? And really pinpointing that. When you can pinpoint it, you're going to end up more profitable over time, because then you're going to stop taking trades based on emotions, based off what you think and what you feel, which inevitably will be getting us wrecked, right? So trying to take high probability trade setups is hard enough. Over trading is a big factor, especially in these market conditions right now. So what I want you to do is refine your setup. Hopefully this helps you. This is a little tidbit of information. Refine that setup, like and subscribe, join us on the live stream, come and take some live trades with us at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.